In this video, we are going to show you how to make motion slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google. Select two pictures and insert them. Then align center and align middle. Select this picture and shift to the right side of the slide. Go to Insert, click on Shape. Select rectangle, drag it like this. Go to Insert, click on Text box. Write Paris here. Select and change the font. Make it bold, increase font size. Go to Format, align middle and center your content. Select both. Go to Format, go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Feed, select color using eyedropper. Go to Shape Effect, select this from presets and also select this shadow. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Line, drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, select More Line, increase width size. Select Round from Cap type, also select Round from Joint type. And select Outline color. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Select background picture, line and this picture, shift to left side. Go to Transition and select More. Increase duration also. Go to first slide. Now let me watch the slideshow and this is looking beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.